Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 9th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to begin our discussion on operators. And an operator in programming is a symbol that allows you to perform an operation such as we use the addition symbol to perform the addition operation on numbers, and then we use the minus symbol or the hyphen to perform the subtraction operation. So likewise there are lots of operators that Python allows us to use. So in Python we have 7 kinds of operators, and the 7 kinds are arithmetic, then you have comparison or relational operators, then you have the assignment operators, and then you have logical operators, and then bitwise operators, and what are the other two? You have membership operators, and you have the identity operators, right? So these are all the 7 different kinds of operators that we have in Python. And in this tutorial we're going to talk about the arithmetic operators and comparison operators, and in the next few tutorials we are going to talk about the rest, right? So if you want to add values, then you can use the addition symbol, as I said. So I'm just going to work with the numbers and operators to just demonstrate the operators to you, and this is really good stuff. So if I want to add 10 to 15, I'll type in 10, then the addition symbol, which is the addition arithmetic operator, and then 15. So 10 and 15 here are known as operands, and the addition symbol is known as the operator, right? So when I press the enter key, I see the result as 25, and if I want to subtract 10 from 15, I type in 15 first and then 10 later with the minus symbol as the subtraction operator in between, and I get the output as 5. If I want to multiply 10 and 15, I'll use the asterisk symbol or the multiplication operator, and the two operands. The answer is 150. And then if I want to divide 15 by 10, I'll type in 15 first, then the slash or the division operator, and then the second operand 10, and there you go, the result is 1.5. And if I want to find out the remainder of the division of 15 by 10, so we know that 10 does not perfectly divide 15. It leaves a remainder of 5 when you try to divide 15 by 10. So when I press the enter key here, I see 5, and percentage symbol here is known as the modulus operator. And if you want to find out the power of something raised to something, so let's say you want to find out 3 raised to the power 2, then you can use the exponentiation operator, in which is 2 asterisk symbols put together. So you type in 3 first. If you want to find out the square of 3, then you type in 2 as the power. When you press the enter key, you see 9 in the result set, right? So 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. Next we're going to talk about comparison operators. So I'm going to create 2 variables. So the first variable that I'm going to create is a. I'll give it the value 15. The second variable that I'm going to create is b, and I'll give it the value 10. And if I want to check whether a equals b or not, then I can use the double equal to comparison operator, and that operator is used for equality checks. So if I want to check whether a is equal to b or not, I'll type in the equal to symbol twice, and this is what it should look like. So you type in a first, 2 equal to symbols, and then the second variable name, which is b. When I press the enter key, I see the result as false. So a is not equal to b because they have different values. Obviously a is 15 and b is 10. And if I check whether a is not equal to b, so this is the reverse of the previous test. And the operator for this is you type in the exclamation symbol first and then the equal to symbol. So this these 2 symbols put together is the not equal to check, right? And when I press the enter key now, I see that I get true as a result because 15 and 10 are not equal to each other. And then if I want to check whether a is greater than b or not, I simply type in a greater than b, and that is true because a is 15 and b is 10. And if I check whether a is less than b or not, then I get the result as false. So I hope you guys are keeping a note of the operators here. So the greater than operator is this symbol, right? It's called the I don't know, the left angular bracket, I suppose, and then this symbol is known as the right angular bracket. I could be wrong, I'm not sure about this, but then I am sure that you guys are familiar with these symbols. And then if you want to check whether a is equal to or greater than b, so this basically checks whether a is equal to b. If that's not true, then whether a is greater than b. If any of those values is true, then the result is true, right? So a has to be greater than b or it has to be equal to b. And the next one or the last one that we're going to check out in this tutorial is the less than equal to operator. So I'll type in A, then the less than symbol, the equal to symbol, and then B, and this is obviously false because A is greater than B. Right, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial we are going to check out the bitwise operators and logical operators in Python, and I hope you guys are having fun, and stay tuned to my channel for more updates, and you can subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care till then.